You're interested in maybe taking a statistics course. That's awesome. In this lecture, we're going to talk about all the people who should take this course. Let's get started. First off, I want to emphasize a really important point. This course is actually designed for you. I intentionally wanted to make this course a course for anyone, so that you can just jump in and maybe skip a couple lectures because you already know some of this stuff, or if you're brand new to mathematics and you just want to know some statistics, this course is also designed for you. Now that being said, this course is perfect for anyone taking a statistics or a liberal arts math class at either a high school or a college. Now, if you're not in school and you just want to learn some statistics, this course is also perfect for you. We built in every single little bit of detail so you can learn from the ground up. Now let's address a more logistical question. What materials are you going to need for this course? Now you're going to need a phone or a computer to watch these videos, and you're going to need a calculator to do some basic computations. Now if you have a calculator that can do the basic 4 operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then you're probably good to go. That being said though, I would recommend something a little bit more versatile. If you can't afford a TI calculator, then I recommend just going online and learning how to use Wolfram Alpha. So awesome resource. That being said though, if you do need to take a college level math course at a university, you're probably going to want to make the investment now and purchase a TI-84 and just get used to this thing. It's a very useful resource, and it's something that can be used within the classroom, typically during tests. So again, purchase a TI-84, look on eBay or Amazon to get a cheaper price. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. You just watched a video from Amore Learning. We provide free math videos, and we offer many online courses. We also provide free math tutoring via YouTube Live every Thursday and Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video to get access to all of our free content. And put a comment in the comment section if you have any math questions. Check out all of our courses on amorelearning.org.